So I'm thinking about the Earth, and I'm thinking about all of the people on the Earth. And what I'm doing is I'm seeing the Earth as like a human being. Or rather, I'm seeing the Earth more like a brain. Or possibly more like a brain case. And I'm seeing the people on the Earth as being like neurons within that brain case. So essentially, the human beings are like a brain for the Earth. So in other words, the Earth, I'm seeing the Earth as a brain, and human beings being the neurons of that brain. It makes me wonder what that brain could create. If the Earth is essentially a brain in its structure, and if humans essentially are the neurons of that brain, then it seems to me the brain could come up with thoughts. In other words, the entire Earth could think, could produce thoughts and ideas. Is it remotely sensible to see the Earth as a brain? Could there be any legitimacy to that concept? I think it is possible to view the Earth in that way, as an entire system, as one thing. It is amazing to wonder what could be created if it was true that the Earth was a brain. Because all the constituent parts have brains as well. So every neuron in the brain has its own set of neurons as well. So it's a amazingly complex system. It's absolutely phenomenal to imagine the Earth as being one entity composed of billions of neurons, which themselves have millions of neurons composing them. It's kind of amazing to wonder at the possibility of the Earth being a single entity, a giant brain, composed of billions of brains in their own right. It's just mind-boggling to conceive of what might be possible if this were true.